This video will show basic tool handling on the Gefco 30K and 50K model drills. These drills are equipped with both a 6-rod carousel and a single rod loader to make connections safe and fast. These drills also have a 25,000-pound main winch over a jib boom and hydraulic rod spinners to make tripping the hole very efficient. The carousel is swung under the top head as it comes out of retract. The top head is rotated into the first drill rod in the carousel. The top head is raised to pull the drill rod out of the carousel. The carousel is swung to the back corner of the mast. The top head comes down and the drilling operations begin. Once that joint of drill pipe is drilled down, the air-operated holding wrench holds the pipe. The top head is reversed out of the pipe, being held by the holding wrench, and travels back up the mast to make another connection. The process is repeated until all 6 rods are out of the carousel. Once you have used all the rods from the carousel, you can start making connections with the single rod loader. First, you have to load the rod loader with a joint of pipe. This can be done either by the driller or helper with the use of the helper's controls. The helper first screws the hoist plug into the joint of drill pipe. That joint of pipe is then raised with the main winch. The helper then puts the pin end of the drill pipe into the loader's cup. The weight of the rod closes the gate on the loader, which holds the rod secure. When the rod is lowered in the loader, the hand wheel on the hoist plug goes over the spear on the top of the loader. This will hold the hoist plug and not allow it to rotate when you spin the drill rod with the loader hand wheel, which unscrews the hoist plug. The loader can then be swung to the side of the mast where it can stay out of the way until a connection needs to be made. To make a connection, you swing the loader under the top head, rotate the top head into the drill pipe, raise the top head to lift the pipe out of the loader, and swing the loader out of the way. Then rotate the drill pipe into the drill pipe held at the table. Repeat this until target depth is reached. Tripping the hole with a single line winch is done with the same hoist plug you load the single rod loader with. Screw the hoist plug into the drill pipe being held by the air-operated holding wrench. Slide the wrench back and pull one joint of pipe above the table. Slide the holding wrench onto the lower joint of pipe. Break the connection with the hydraulically powered pipe wrench. Then spin out with a hydraulic pipe spinner. Raise pipe with winch and swing over rod box with the jib boom. The helper will guide the pipe into the pipe slide and the driller will lower it into the pipe rack with the winch. The helper unscrews the hoist plug and you start this cycle over again. Trip the entire string of pipe this way until you get to your last 6 rods, which are your carousel pipe. You will trip these with the top head and store them in the carousel. Lower the top head and rotate it into the joint of pipe. Slide the holding wrench back and raise that joint above the table. Slide the holding wrench out to hold the pipe and spin out with the top head. Raise the pipe above the carousel, then swing the carousel out to the pipe and then lower the pipe into the carousel. Reverse rotation and rotate top head out of the pipe that is now in the carousel. Raise top head and index carousel to its next position. Repeat this process until all 6 joints are loaded into the carousel. If pipe is tight on the top head connection, use the top air-operated breakout wrench on the carousel to break that connection. There is also a high-low torque control on the driller's console for use when handling pipe in and out of the carousel. This will reduce possible damage to tool joints as well as the carousel. If you have any questions after watching this video, please contact your Gefco representative. They will be happy to answer any questions.